Welcome to Tech Dream Gear. Hello, future thinkers and tech enthusiasts. You've tuned into Tech Dream Gear, the channel where we explore groundbreaking technologies shaping industries and transforming our lives. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic: precision farming with sensors. This technology is revolutionizing agriculture, enabling farmers to monitor crops in real time, optimize resource usage, and maximize yields like never before. Stay tuned as we unravel the science and impact of real-time crop monitoring with sensors. Let's jump right in. The need for precision in modern agriculture. The world's population is growing rapidly, and with it comes the increasing demand for food. Traditional farming practices often rely on guesswork and generalized methods, leading to inefficiencies, waste, and inconsistent yields. Precision farming, powered by sensor technology, offers a smarter approach by tailoring agricultural practices to specific field conditions. What is precision farming? Precision farming, also known as precision agriculture, is the use of advanced technologies to collect and analyze data for making informed decisions in farming. Sensors play a central role in this process by providing real-time information about soil, weather, and crop health. How sensors drive precision farming. 1. Data collection. Sensors placed in fields or mounted on drones collect data on soil moisture and temperature, nutrient levels, weather conditions, crop growth, and health. 2. Data transmission. The collected data is transmitted via IoT networks to cloud-based platforms or local systems. 3. Data analysis. AI and machine learning algorithms process the data to generate actionable insights, such as irrigation schedules or pest control strategies. 4. Automated actions. In advanced systems, sensor data triggers automated responses, such as activating irrigation systems or adjusting fertilizer application. Key types of sensors in precision farming. 1. Soil moisture sensors. Function: measure the water content in the soil to prevent over or under irrigation. Benefits: optimizes water usage, promotes healthy root growth, reduces water wastage. 2. Weather sensors. Function: monitor weather conditions, including temperature, humidity, wind speed, and rainfall. Benefits: helps farmers plan planting and harvesting, improves irrigation timing, minimizes risks from extreme weather. 3. Nutrient sensors. Function: detect the presence and levels of essential nutrients in the soil. Benefits: ensures precise fertilization, prevents nutrient runoff, maintains soil health. 4. Crop health sensors. Function: use imaging and spectral analysis to assess plant health and detect stress factors. Benefits: early detection of diseases and pests, reduces reliance on chemical treatments, improves crop quality and yields. 5. Drone-based sensors. Function: provide aerial views and data on crop conditions across large fields. Benefits: rapid field assessments, identifies hard-to-spot issues, saves time and labor costs. Benefits of real-time crop monitoring with sensors. 1. Increased efficiency. Real-time data enables farmers to address issues promptly, saving time and resources. 2. Optimized resource use. Sensors help minimize water, fertilizer, and pesticide use, reducing costs and environmental impact. 3. Higher yields. By maintaining optimal conditions for crop growth, farmers can achieve better productivity and profitability. 4. Reduced environmental impact. Precision farming reduces chemical runoff and conserves water, contributing to sustainable agricultural practices. 5. Enhanced risk management. Real-time alerts allow farmers to respond to threats like pests, diseases, or adverse weather before significant damage occurs. Challenges of implementing sensor-based precision farming. 1. High initial costs. The cost of purchasing, installing, and maintaining sensor systems can be a barrier for small-scale farmers. 2. Connectivity issues. Reliable internet access is crucial for IoT-enabled systems, which can be challenging in remote rural areas. 3. Data overload. Farmers need user-friendly tools to manage and interpret the vast amounts of data generated by sensors. 4. Maintenance requirements. Sensors and related equipment require regular maintenance to ensure accuracy and reliability. Future trends in precision farming with sensors. 1. AI-driven insights. AI will enhance data analysis, providing farmers with more accurate predictions and recommendations. 2. Renewable energy integration. Solar-powered sensors will make precision farming more sustainable and cost-effective. 3. Blockchain for transparency. Blockchain technology will improve traceability in the food supply chain, ensuring quality and sustainability. 4. Autonomous farming systems. Sensor data will integrate with autonomous tractors, drones, and irrigation systems, paving the way for fully automated farms. 5. Multi-sensor systems. Future systems will combine data from various sensors for a comprehensive view of field conditions, enabling smarter decision-making. Precision farming with sensors is transforming agriculture by enabling real-time crop monitoring, resource optimization, and sustainable practices. As these technologies become more accessible, they hold the promise of revolutionizing farming to meet the demands of a growing global population. If you're as excited as we are about the potential of these innovations, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tech Dream Gear for more insights into groundbreaking technologies shaping our world. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode.